Friends and subscribers, Saturday, December 10th, 2011. Gold currently at $1,710 per ounce. Silver currently at $32.18 per ounce, spot price. I have a couple of new purchases here from China gold coin. The first one is a piece of silver that I got. Packaging is always quite nice with Chinese goods, even if the product may or may not be. I got this piece actually at a discount, believe it or not. There's a little collection number certificate. It's number 339. It's a dragon coin for a year of dragon coming up, and it has this wood display case that comes with it. I had told the coin dealer, which I have a decent enough relationship with, I did not want the display case, which usually costs extra. I just wanted the coin. And so he gave it to me at a discount. When was the last time you got gold or silver physical bullion at a discount? Really quite incredible, but he took 30 yuan off the price, and so yeah, I took it. Oh, there it is. It's not a government issue coin, which I normally wouldn't go after, but the price was right, so you gotta take it, right? Back, the Chinese character for long, which is dragon, and you can get this same coin, the same coin from the same mint in multiple ounce size up to 1 kg. Quite nice looking. The edges are clean. And a good price. So there's that. Also, I got a fractional gold piece. This box is issued by Bank of China. (2001) gold Panda. Has the little certificate here. All of the older Panda coins have a digital barcode ID just like this in it. The newer ones do not. I'm not really sure why. But the 2001 and 2002 gold Panda is an ideal date because there's a low mintage, it's an award-winning design, and there is high demand for it. This particular fractional gold piece, on sites like APMEX go for right now around 300, and is usually sold out. The 1 ounce 2001 gold Panda on eBay right now is going for as high as 3,500. So if you can find a 2001 or 2002 in gold or silver, any size, jump on it if the price is right, because it's a good coin to buy. Interestingly enough, the 2012 Pandas have been issued from the Shenyang and Shenzhen mints on November 30th. They will reach each city based on its alphabetical order, which is really kind of curious how they do it or why they do it that way. But cities like Beijing will get the new Pandas first, and then cities like Wenzhou, Shanghai, and Wuxi, places like that, will get it last. If that doesn't sound like a communist type of organization for the distribution of the coins, I don't know what it would. You know, it's really quite funny. But so it'll be a little bit of a wait on the 2012. The design is 2 pandas, a mother and a cub, that are facing and sitting. So it's quite a nice design. Should get that. In the latest papers here, home prices dip for the first time in a while. The past 3 months actually, home prices have dipped, and this is something that we've been talking about for a while. Not all people had agreed with me, but if you're watching this video, you probably have been of the same opinion that I have, that China is in a housing bubble, no question about it. Housing prices for the first time in 10 largest cities, including Shanghai, Beijing, Guangzhou, Shenzhen, and Chongqing, fell. Again, the average cost of homes in these 10 cities is now at 15,663 yuan. Last year I had been commenting that a good property in a nice neighborhood in one of the first tier cities was going for around 20,000 yuan per square meter, and that is too high, especially for the quality of house that you get. Basically, it's just like a large apartment or condominium type of setup, and the construction build is just not there. I know because I've lived in a couple of them, and I'm not impressed. You can get a bigger and better piece of property in another country. And goes on to say that the U.S. job market is still weak. Well, we all knew that. It's getting weaker, and no relief in sight. No relief in sight. The deal with MF Global, basically, if it doesn't reinforce the gold and silver bugs and our stance on getting into real assets, I don't know what will. 20-some% of the customers of MF Global have lost their accounts. About $1.2 billion gone, and they claim they do not know where it is. So this sets a precedent. Why would you be in paper? Why would you be with any banking organization? And why would you be trading in stocks, forex, commodities, where you're gonna lose your money? You're gonna lose your money. You're going to be disappointed with your returns. You've got fees, you've got your broker fees, your taxes. It's just not a place where you need to be right now. So get out of paper. Get out of paper and get into real things, hard assets, something that you know will hold its value. Now, we don't know what the future is going to hold. We just know that it's going to be rocky for sure. And we do know one thing, that gold and silver are going to hold their value. They're going to go up in whatever currency that they're listed in. And that's the one thing that you can be sure of. So why make it difficult? Just play the safe bet and get out of paper. That's the best advice that I can give. And I'll try to pick up some gold grams. You can get them in 1, 2, 5, 10, and on up. And a lot of people do that. They buy them in grams, and gram price here is listed $3.57 per gram. When you go into a jewelry store or coin shop here, they have the price listed. Interestingly enough, though, this price here, the $3.57, is only for purchases that are above 20 grams. So anything below that, the price is like $4.22. If you want to go, lower fractional on ingots or Chinese coins or whatever. So it pays to actually get a bigger coin or a bigger ingot or bar because of that spread. And I'll try and get my hands on a couple of those so I can show you what they look like. Okay,